Okay, here's my E-Revo, my Traxxas. It has the Novak system in it, Novak Havoc Pro. I went from using two of these batteries, these 8.4s, nickel metal hydrides, and I wanted to switch over to lipos, so I ended up getting, actually I got these two, but apparently I also have let's see, I didn't. I have two of these 3S's. I bought originally. I bought two of these, 5,000 milliamps, 11.1, 50C, and I put those in there, and with the steering servos worked. But the motor wouldn't turn on, so it wouldn't run the motor. So I was like, I thought maybe it was too much voltage, because that's a lot more voltage than it had. So, but the lights and everything all worked great on the receiver and the ESC, and so I put those other ones in there. And I put those two smaller ones in there, and it snapped and started smoking out of here. You can see there's a little burn marks on the bottom. I was going to try to open that up to see exactly what's going on in there. So, let me put this over. Let me see. Where's that pick? Looks like you could just pick it open. I mean, I ended up buying a new one anyway, but I'm just kind of curious. The new one came in today, so it's not like it was sunken water or anything. Oof, stinks. So yeah, there's the burn mark on the plastic, and that is fried. Now this must have been I bought this used, so this must have been a really good system. It's got the censored motor. There's the capacitor it's got, but I did buy all my other stuff. So I guess it's kind of like, sort of like an unboxing video. This is from A-Main. Hobbies. I called Castle Creations, and they didn't have any in stock, so they referred me to Amy. So I ended up getting that. So here's what I bought. I got the Mamba Monster 1/8 scale waterproof 15 series. It's a 2200 kV motor, and it's the Mamba Monster X combo kit with the 1515. So it's the motor, and yeah, now you can see it because I don't have the headlight light. So that's this. I'm a nitro person. I'm not used to these electronics, so we'll see how this goes. Like I said to somebody when I put the lipos in, she's either gonna go or she's gonna blow, and it blew up. So let's do the motor first. Everybody's got to do the motor. So yeah, that's a box. Foam. Operation. Get the sensor wire. Need that. Oh my gosh. This motor's no joke. 5mm shaft. I think that's all that's in there. It's pretty cool. Pretty nice. It's a legit one. I guess everything is laser etched, so I guess you could tell that's how they tell that against the fakes. Wow, there's a big difference. So let me put this over here for now, and let's see what the. I want to run lipos. I'm tired of those nickel metal hydrides. They end up going dead. There's the little plug. Driver's guide. I have stickers, and I got the link. Get the free Castle link, but I already bought it. I couldn't wait for that to come to. So I ended up spending the $20. And there she is. Castle X. Mamba Monster X. I wanted it because it has the sensor motor on it, so I can do all the programming and everything. Goes up to 6S lipos, so those two 3 S3s should be perfect. They say this runs really good on S4. So they got the other ones too. So we'll see which one it runs better on. Once I get it in here, like I said, I'll get all of this stuff out. The Novak system, this thing was so fast. I don't know if they had it set up for racing and everything, but So it's already got the heat sink on it. This is the cast iron. Got the thing in there so I can program it with my phone. I believe US. I might only be able to do it by the USB cable from my laptop or my desktop. Either one. Yeah, just gotta run Windows 10, Windows 11. Wow, Windows Vista. Whew. It's going way back. So yeah, I got that. Now I'm just waiting for the fan. I did get the plate. Let me get this cleaned up. I gotta go out in the garage. I'm gonna scrub all this out. See how clean I can get it. I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter because it's only gonna go flip over in the middle of the street and slide halfway down the road in the mud, like it always does. But yeah, this thing's truck so far fast. It's even got it had the 2 motors because it's got the Novak cover plate to cover where the other motor would go from the front. So this is this one had the 2 brushed motors, and somebody converted it before I bought it off of who I got it from. Let's see what. Let me see what it looks like. Be back. Okay, let me see if I can get this out of here. Yeah, so that's that. There's a little bit of foam. Oh, there's the black spot. I don't know how many teeth are out here. $68. I don't think 68 is stock. It might be. Like I said, I'm not sure. I'll have to put that mount on the other one. But I'm gonna go take this in the garage. I'm gonna go blow all this stuff off. I don't have my mount yet for here. So this kind of sucks. I'll have to see where Amazon is with his truck yet so far. How close he is, because I don't know. I mean, I could put the motor in. I just don't want to mount this yet. And then I got a wire. Where are they? Oh, this is all the other stuff I got. So let me put him over here. I got quite the mess going on. I got the castle thing, the fan. I bought this can the other day. I can mount that on there. It's got like a little hood scoop. That's pretty cool. This is, these are, they smell terrible. This plastic smells so bad. these are the way I'm going to still hook it up, because all my batteries have the Traxxas ends, so I want to keep that. So on my motor, or on my my other thing, I'm going to put, I guess, where I bought these Traxxas connectors to go to the speed control, so that way I can just plug it in and still run my 2 Traxxas batteries without having to do anything crazy. All I gotta do is solder the ends on. So that stuff. Oh, there's one of them. We put the little fan on. Little Castle Creations. Alright. Let me clean this up a bit and then I'll be back. Okay, it's 14 and 68 on the gears and the teeth. This burn mark isn't from the last speed controller I just took out. So this must have been maybe the original one burned out. I don't know, I'm not sure. But let me see. I'm gonna try to get try to get some of this off. All right, I should be done with this whole. Oh no, I need the gear. All right, now I'm done with this. Empty box. Put some spare parts in there. Okay. So I got this guy. I should go get my Loctite. Because knowing me, it's gonna fly off. Yeah, let me run out and get that because I think I need it for these little screws too. I only have red though. Yeah, this is the thing I have coming from Amazon. It's supposed to hold my speed controller. So let's see how that turns out. Right, let me get a little bit of Loctite on this. I'll put red on there, we'll never see it, it'll never come off again. That smells so good. That's it. A little dab will do you. not sure where it's supposed to be. I should have probably figured that out first. Wow, that's so close. I'm gonna have to cut that back. Yeah, because my sensor wire ain't gonna fit in there. I gotta chop a little bit off of that shock thing. Or turn this way. Okay, you can go back, I'll go there. I just gotta make sure that this can go over there. Alright. Let me try to trim a little bit of this off. And then we'll see what happens. I know it's not going to cut this out. I'll get my multi-tool. It's fiber reinforced. I won't make it through that. All right. So I cut a little bit of this off. This has got to be one of the most durable trucks or RC vehicles I think I've ever owned. I've had the T-Max. That thing didn't do nothing. When I put the locked rear end in it, all it ended up doing was breaking axles. And then it went from the 15 motor. I upgraded it to the 2.5. And then they were offering, which was, it was still gutless with the 2.5. Then they came out with an upgrade that you could put the 3.3 in it. I put the 3.3 motor in it, and the T-Max was still slow. These things are just crazy fast, and it's such a less of a headache. I got my USA 1 original nitro up in the attic. You can't get parts for it anymore. They came out with a new one. It's not the same. Putting it all together yourself. I'll break it out one day. Just getting it started, the fuel becomes a pain. Alright, let's see here. How do I want to mount? Let me see if this has been built. Is it only going to take 2? Okay. Oh, that marked up last. That one went. That's going to have to do it. Okay, where is that number? This guy. Let's see how she goes now. Better. Okay, that's done. Alright. So I had to get some soldering done. And you see, I had to take it to Chuck. Chuck's welding and soldering. So I'm terrible at soldering. It's bad enough I gotta fix the part that I broke. I'm gonna put some liquid tape over that spot. Okay. I should have did that sooner. Okay, so I need this ESC to go this way. That looks like crap. Okay, I got the 2 batteries plugged in. These are the two cells. 2S, 1P. Okay, so let's see. Holds the throttle. So she says, wide open. Turn the switch on. This little fan's is that little fan on? Whoa. Okay, the motor's running backwards. So let's shut this off. I'm gonna have to castle link it. I'm gonna have to do the castle link to set up the brake. I gotta put the remote at full 100% reverse. So let me get Janator Bug. Whoa! Okay, I just got this RPM cage for the Mamba. It fits really good. The plate actually bolts right to the Traxxas plates. All the wire, I didn't even have to disconnect these wires. You just kind of put it through on an angle and then it'll go through. And ones I had to disconnect for the mains and the power. So I'm gonna zip tie these all together. I got these what are they, like M8s or whatever. I don't even know. I got those to put on, and she should be done. Let me see what I can get the switch put in. They did give you the screws for it and the directions. So I don't know. Somebody on a video online showed that they didn't get any screws with theirs, but they did give me a bag of screws. So let me get it together. Okay, so here it is. All finished up. Got the castle creation in there. Mamba X. All I gotta do is just change this one wheel on the back side. It's coming off the rim. I have a couple more. Again, these are the batteries that I was using. So far, I only ran the HBRs, the 6L, two threes. These are 2.2s. These are fast, but this is just so much more fun. I ended up getting this this mesh screen. Covered that up. Worked pretty good. Like I said, I got some test videos of it at the beach. Like I said, but this is it. And that's the shell I bought. I bought these little rubber things to hold the clips on. I bought 4. Those all came in a package of 4. And I have a bunch extra of the metal. A lot more of the metal tabs. Yeah, I got all these, the blue and then the blacks that came with it. So yeah, she's flying. It's just to think that it used to be have a brushed motor, then it went to the Novak system, and now it's got the Castle Creations in there. I think it's 68 on the spur gear, 14 on the pinion. I don't know what that equals to. And miles per hour. I had a little trouble with it yesterday. It ended up, well, you'll see it's in the test video. It just stopped. Like I thought it was out of range, but it wasn't. And then when I got home and blew all the stuff off of it, off was on and on was on. So I don't know. I think I'm calling them today to ask them. But yeah, that's it. She's finally done. I'm not gonna do any more. Like I said, I'd like to change this fin out, but this thing's been holding up so good. So, alright. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want. Alright, bye.